So guys, the first thing you need to do, head over to chatgpt.com. You're going to message ChatGPT to give you ideas for case song. Give me 10 ideas for case song. These are the ideas they have given to you. It's left for you to select whichever one that you want. Next thing you're going to tell them, create lyrics from the above song. The above song, let me choose one. The Busy Little Pea, Magic Shoe. Okay, let me choose the Magic Shoe. Create lyrics from the above song, Magic Shoe. Create lyrics from the above song titled Magic Shoes from the above lists. Okay, so they have created a song for us. The next thing you're gonna do, you don't want to lose this or you don't want to start all over again, so you have to copy all of this to your notes. Okay, copy all of them. Next thing to do is to create prompts. So you're gonna tell ChatGPT to create simple prompts to create videos for each scene described in the lyrics above. Okay, so we're gonna go right now. So these are the prompts they have created. Copy all of them. Come over to your notes and paste them. Okay. So whenever you need it, you're gonna copy it and paste. So guys, next step is to go over to Zuno.com. Zuno.com. So this website Zuno.com helps you to create amazing, beautiful songs. Okay, so what you're gonna do right now is to make sure you log in, you sign up, then click on create. Mine just opened because I've already signed up, so just click on create down here. Create. So make sure your custom is enabled here. Just enable it. Okay, just click there. It's enabled. Now you're going to be copying your lyrics, then you're going to be pasting them here. And then you're going to be setting your style of music, title, and all of that. So I'm heading over to my notes where I pasted the lyrics. I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it here. So you're gonna give style of music. I'm giving it nursery rhyme. Then the title is gonna be Animal Dance Dancing Party. Once you're done, create. So these are the songs they have created. Let's listen to this. can choose any one of your choice. So guys, once you're done selecting, just click at these dots. Just scroll down, you will see download. So download audio is downloaded. This is the song right now. So guys, the next step is to head over to this website, helioai.video. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but you can just copy it. As you can see the spelling up there. So once you're on this website, what you're gonna do, you're expected to sign up with your Gmail account. Once you're done, click here, click down here, and then you're gonna copy and paste the first prompt that the ChatGPT has given to you. Copy and paste the prompt generated by ChatGPT. Also add Disney Pixar animation style at the beginning of each prompt so that all our videos will have consistent styles. This is what I'm talking about. So our video is ready. You can also modify this. I would like you to understand that each video is about 5 seconds long. So I'm generating 3 videos for each scene by slightly tweaking the prompts, okay? So even if you don't change the prompts, the video won't be the same. So you can actually repeat the prompt again. When you're done creating your video clips, go ahead and download. We need to download the music you created with Zuno, so head over to your Chrome browser, whichever browser that you use to create that music. Click on that dot by the right side, click on download, click on audio, open the music, then click on the dots. Now download. Once you're done, use InShot. You can use any app of your choice to do this. You can use CapCut, you can use Canva, but I used InShot to compile the videos. Now you're going to select the videos. Once you're done selecting all of them, next thing to do, click on audio, click on music, click on my music. You'll see the song you downloaded, click on it and use. Now the song is uploaded, okay? So the next step we're gonna do, that is optional. You can use animation. So click on animation and you can use any style of yours, anyone you want to use. There are so many there. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so once you're done, you can always adjust, okay? If you're not okay with it, you can always adjust. You can always remove or replace the animation. You can also remove the InShot logo. Just click on it and you'll see free option there to remove it. So once you're done and you're satisfied with your editing, you can go ahead and click the export and export your video.